Welcome back to my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.
Today we are going to be looking at how to properly embellish our beret. Now we are going to, this is the big sized beret, and this is how it comes. And so I'm going to be using, this is going to be our major embellishment. This is an applique, and what I'm going to be doing is, because I don't want, you can see that this is quite big and it is actually beaded. If you look at it, it is beaded. I don't know, I hope I'm in frame. It is beaded. So normally if I'm actually using some particular types of applique like sugar applique, I can decide to trim it, but for this one, because it is beaded, if you should trim it, you are going to be loosening practically maybe a part or even everything. So I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to be making use of all this as it is. Now what we want to do is our placement, but first I want to take this structure out first, and after doing that I'm going to be looking at how I want it to, because I don't want this place, I call it the navel, this place right here to be covered. So I'm going to be looking at how to place it like this, because if I just place it like this, it's going to cover this place and I don't want it covered. So I'm going to look for how I'm going to walk through it. So that's how you're going to be to do whenever you want to work with your applique. So you first look at it, don't just put gum all over it and then, no. Number one thing is look at your applique, look at your beret or whatever you're embellishing, and the best place to, okay, yes, so I'm going to be putting this one right here like so. So when I do this, I'll take my pin and then I'll put it at different places to secure it. So now after pinning it at different locations, you're going to check it. If you look at this place, it's because this place is layered. So I want to first sew this part and see if I want to put it over it like so, or I prefer to leave it like this. Since I like the way it is looking, so I'm going to go ahead right now and start sewing it. You can actually use your gum, but if you are not new to this channel, you know that sorry, excuse me, you know that I prefer to use thread and needle to just gum. In fact, I can actually use gum and still decide to use my thread and needle. So this is my wine, this is a wine beret, obviously. This is my wine thread and needle. I'm just going to go ahead and start sewing. We are going to be taking pinches up here, and then inside you can go maybe like ½ inch. Don't allow it to be too big even though it is inside, because this place has embroidery. I am using the embroidery to hide my thread, this wine embroidery right here. This is how I'm going to continue sewing. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to continue sewing. If there are any places that I need to point out, I'm going to definitely be showing you guys. This is what we have after sewing it. Can you see now? Now this is the inside. Can you see it still looks neat? I hope I've not gone out of frame. What I want to do now is I want to look at places that I still want to tack to the beret so that it won't look clumsy when the person that owns it wear it. I remember this part that I said I wasn't sure if I want to tack it down. I am now sure I want to tack it down. I don't want to leave it like this. And so those are the things that I'm going to be doing. I'll just go ahead and, just like I did initially, I'm going to be making use of this embroidery place to tack it down so that the thread won't be showing. So whatever applique you are using, take, number one, take pinches. Number two, look for a suitable pattern that you can use so that your thread would not be showing. So that's just that. I'll just go ahead and tack it down to the beret. This is what we have. I finished sewing everything uh, together. Now I'm going to go ahead and see if there anything. Actually, I've gone to check it. I like it the way it is, so no more sewing. We are done with sewing. This is what the inside looks like. Can you see it's still neat? And now I'm not going to be leaving it like this. I'm still going to be going ahead to put stones. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put all these small stones on it first before I apply all the stones like this. So you know how to stone now. Just go ahead, apply it. At different points. After applying it, you are going to allow the gum dry a little. Actually, I've allowed it to dry a little, so I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to be placing my stone on the spot that I applied gum. Now, as I'm putting the gum on it, I'm not pressing it down yet. I'll just leave it for a little while. So this is what I have after stoning it. Just like I said, now I'm going to go ahead and press it down. Press it down. I'll go ahead and press it down. After pressing it, this is what we have. Don't mind this place. By the time everything is well secured, everything, the adhesive is dry and everything, I'll go ahead and remove everything. So now I don't want to leave it just like this. I'm still going to be adding these different stones at different angles. Do you understand? Like all these stones like this. So I'll just be putting them just like I usually see. I'm going to arrange it first and see what it looks like before going ahead to to put gum on everything. So now that I like what the arrangement looks like, I'm going to be using this gum that has this bigger nozzle to apply the gum on it, and I'll be applying it a little. Just like you are going to allow this dry a little before putting it. This is what I have after applying the old gum. I can still go ahead and still even add more stones to the beret. It depends on, and I need to say something. This is, you can decide to use any applique that you want. You can decide to use any stones that you want. It depends on the design that you are going for. So this is what we have, the beauty that we have. I might still go ahead and stone this place. I don't know. It depends on my mood. It depends on what I want to, because it's an embellished beret and it's not like the person will say, oh, embellish part and don't embellish this part. You understand? So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in my next video. Bye.